I'm Dr. Michael Uselton. I'm a primary care physician in Arlington, Texas. I serve as the president of Catalyst Physician Group, but I'm also a practicing physician, which is almost impossible to do without help. It was the full relationship, the longitudinal relationships, getting to take care of multiple generations of families and developing relationships with them. Primary care is hard, and it's easy to get behind, and it's easy to get confused, and it's easy to make mistakes. And we have an imbalance between the patients that need us and the physicians to provide that care. Having a relationship with Matic that's a partnership is a critical difference from a vendor relationship. We're building a product in real time that meets our needs as they pop up in real time. We're building a product that's necessary for the survival of the American healthcare system. I've heard others say that AI won't replace doctors, but it will replace doctors that don't embrace AI. And until we're able to provide that care on scale more accurately, we're going to continue to struggle. And I think this is a technology that's critical to getting us to that next step. It's novel, it's phenomenal, it's effective, and I'm not sure that we'll be able to practice without it moving forward.